everyone, it's Michelle from A Noble Touch. Thank you so much for joining me again. Today we're going to do a beautiful, I hope to be beautiful, fall swag garland. So what we're going to need is some grapevine. This is about 40 inches long. And this is just going to be, like I said, a short swag garland. It's not going to be a long one. However, if you like it, make it longer. And then also you're going to need some brown wire. Now this brown wire I get from Amazon. This is awesome if you're working with grapevine or anything because it just matches the grapevine. You can't even see it. It blends right in. This is a staple. You know, if you do anything with grapevine, this is a must-have. I highly recommend it. As well as you're going to need some jute cord. Now, if you watched my one video and you went out and bought some jute cord, then you should have plenty left. So we have that. You're going to need some cinnamon sticks. I'm going to do 3 cinnamon sticks, or use 3 of them. And then of course my ribbon, this is from Mal's Crafty Mojo. I have the brown stretch ribbon, and then I have this beautiful metallic brown or bronze ribbon. It's very pretty. You can see the shimmer. I don't know if you can see the shimmer on the camera or not, but that's what I have. And then I have these cute maple leaves with some shimmer. See the shimmery effect? Yeah. I got that from Walmart, as well as a group of moms. So, oh, also, you're going to need your tools. So your wire cutters, your scissors, your rotary cutter, whatever you need, plus your hot glue gun. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is just cut some of this brown wire, just some short pieces of brown wire, like so. I've got some already cut over here and set aside. And then what you're going to do is take your jute cord. What you're going to do is just hold, and you can do about 3 fingers, and then just wrap. And I'm going around about 20 times. And then just slide it off your fingers, but hold the one side. Now go ahead and take your brown wire that you've cut. And I'm sorry if you're hearing a clinking noise. My ceiling fan is making some noise over there. And then just twist the one side. Like that. And then we're going to do 4 more, or 3 more, so 4 total. Okay, so we have the 4 bundles completed. And I think you guys know where I'm probably going with this. But this is so freaking cute. I love this look. So all you're going to do is now take your hot glue. And then attach, just glue the side that's tied down to the cinnamon stick. And we're just going to keep going around until all 4 bundles are on. Might have to hold this a little bit for that glue to set up. Okay, how stinking cute are these? So easy. But just a cute rustic pumpkin, and it's just jute cord, glue, and your cinnamon sticks. I love them. I think they're adorable. I'll be making these like crazy. Okay, so we're going to set these aside, and now what we're going to do is cut up our floral that we have. So I'm just going to start cutting our mums and our leaves, and we'll be back. Okay, so right now we're just going to cut our ribbon every 12 inches, and we're just going to need 3 of them. So just find your 12 inches. Oh my word. I think I need to change my blade. Need to change my blade. Okay. Yeah, actually it's getting loose. That's what the problem is. So if you guys ever need to change your blade, this is just a quick tip. You unscrew that little bolt there and then pop that out and then change your blade. And then you're going to pop this back in. Actually, is that the right side? And then pop that on and screw your bolt back on so it's nice and tight. Make sure it's tightened on both sides. And then, of course, you have your blade. That's how you change out a blade on a rotary cutter. I need to go get a new one. So I'll just use my scissors for right now. So again, we're just, each of the ribbon, just 3 12-inch pieces. And then this ribbon here, I'm going to fold in half and then do the fishtail on it. So you just fold in half again and then cut from the closed side to the open on an angle, and then you get your fishtail. So I'm going to do that and we'll be back. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is place my pumpkins, and then I'm going to place the florals around them. So what I'm going to do is take my ribbon and pinch. And pinch and just kind of put it like that. And then I'm going to attach it here at about 7 inches. So I'm going to go about 17 inches. I'm sorry, something's rattling my table and I can't find what it is. Drive me insane. Let's see if that's it. Oh, that might have been it. Okay, so I'm just going to attach the ribbon here, but I think I'm just going to use my the brown wire. Actually, we just pinch it like this. And then twist. And like I said, about 7 inches in is what I think I'm going. And just twist around like this. And you can twist it right back around the grapevine. You're not going to see it because it matches. Like I said, I love the stretch ribbon because you can stretch it and make it look so pretty. Okay, like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one at 7 inches on the other side. And then in the center, I think I have to be at about 23 inches in the center. You know, if I'm off on my math, I'm off on my math. Don't come after me. I'm kind of eyeing it here, but I'm thinking 7 inches will work on each side. And then about, if I go right from 1 inch there, it's going to be at the 23 line. So we'll be back. We have our 3 ribbons attached here. So now what we're going to do is just kind of place where we want to put everything before I glue it. I'm just going to slide it. I'm going to slide some here in the end, like that, just to get a feel of how it's going to look. And let me do another one here. One, two. I think I had this a little bit closer. Like that. And then as far as the flowers, you can just decorate and put them in between if you'd like. Like I said, it's just going to be a pretty and simple fall swag. And like I said, I'm just pushing these in right now to see where if I like them, and if I want to, I will glue it in there. But right now it's just part of just sliding it in and placing it where you'd like them. And I did a green one, or a green one at the end. Sorry if I'm not getting this fully in frame for you. Let's see, and then we could bring the last two cream up in here. Not getting stuck. I don't know what you think. That looks kind of cute. And you can add more floral. That's up to you. I just wanted to do a cute, simple fall arrangement. And then I'm going to hot glue our pumpkins on, like so. So what do you think? I think this looks pretty darn cute. I will take a picture after it's all said and done. Everything's glued. But thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, please follow me on social media. I am on TikTok and Facebook, Instagram, as well as Pinterest. You can also shop on Noble Touch on Etsy. So you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for joining me.